Hi, Walker. Sorry, I'm Horace. Sorry you're having trouble with this. We've never done it before. Of course, first you go to your planner and go to last week, the 12th through the 16th, if you've not already done that on It's Learning. And you're just going to click on the PFD, which is just a copy of the playlist that everybody got in class. If you have a printer, print this out. If not, just look at it. The first thing you do, it's just like you're looking at Unit 3, 3-1, 3-2, 3-3. And I just had everyone write that in class so they could keep it all straight. So just go on to Pearson and take the pretest. All of the pretests are on Pearson. And so you can just take one and go through those steps, or you can go ahead and take all three pretests and write your score. That's number one. Now, if you score below 80, I'll show you where to go. And if you score 80 or above, you can go straight to the assignments. So let's pretend you make 80 and above. You go here, and you do these three assignments. Now, if you don't have your workbook, you can go to the eText in Pearson in the program section, and you can actually see these pages and just write the answers on paper. Your goal is to get 120 points. I changed it. So each of these is worth double that. So that'll be instead of 50 points apiece, it's 40 points apiece. That'll be, that's 10, that's 20, that's 30, that's 10, 20, 30. So everything's double the points. And you don't have to do everything as long as you do enough to get 120 points. And remember, everything is double. Hope that makes sense. You're going to go to Braining Camp and complete the lesson and the questions. Then if you can access the workbook online, do those 2 pages in the workbook, and that's for 20 points. The cat food performance task is also in It's Learning. Everything is online. USA Test Prep, you just click on it, and it's already there as an assignment. And there's your workbook. Now, the Pearson, you have to log in and go to your classes, and this will say 3-2 Excel Math, and that will say something like 3-3 challenge, and this you have to do on a sheet of paper also. So it'll give you a PDF, and you just look at it and write the answers or type them, and just send this one, upload this one if you want to get the 30 points. But like I said, you need a total of 120 points, and all of these are double points. After you finish all of these activities, you go to the formative on Pearson and you complete it. When you finish all of these activities, you complete the 3-2 formative on Pearson. And when you finish these 3 activities, you complete the 3rd formative, and they're all on Pearson. So a lot of your stuff is on Pearson, and I tried to number it and put it in order, but it wouldn't let me, but I did label what it is. These 3 formatives are required, and you can take them at home. They're your formative grades. All of this together, the 120 points, that's going to be worth that's going to be one summative grade. So if you can get 120 points, that'll be 100. And everything, instead of out of 150, remember, it's 120, and it's double points. So you don't have to do everything. Now, let's say you make less than 80. All right, we're going to go back to It's Learning and see where it says the content. This has the content for everything. Click on this, and it's going to take you to a website. This is, you can use this just to get information. If you click on that website and wait patiently, it's going to take you to the lesson. Now, page 1, remember this is 3, 1, 2, and 3. So this reviews rates from 6th grade, tells you a little about it. There's videos and practice. There's a PowerPoint. There's supposed to be a PowerPoint. Oh, there's a PowerPoint. This gives you videos and practice. That's a video. There's more videos. You can use all or none of it. Here's practice if you want the practice, and then there's a key to check your work. Once you've done all of this and you feel like you know it, then it says stop. You go back to, you go back to Pearson. And this is what all your Pearson assignment looks like. I pulled up your folder. So see where it says for number 1, that's the pretest for 3-1. There's the pretest for 3-2, and there's the pretest for 3-3. After you finish, like I said, if you have to go look at those lessons, then complete all the activities from your playlist, which is, I'm trying to see if I have it open. I have a lot of stuff open here. I guess not. There it is. Once you complete on 3-1, these 3 things are whatever you choose, then you go to Pearson and you take the 3-1 lesson quiz. It's 5 questions. After you finish that, go to the second one. Here we go. Complete these 3 items, or if you didn't score well, then you're going to go to page 2 of the lesson I put together. And then this is what it's going to be about. There's the same thing. There's your PowerPoint. There's your whole practice and videos. There's some extra videos if you need them. Here's a handout, word problems, anything you need for identifying and writing proportions. Then it says take the quiz, and what that actually means is go back to your plan, complete these 3 activities. US tape, press, I can't even talk, I'm sorry. Anyway, complete these activities, then go to Pearson. And if you'll notice, number 4 says 15.3-2 Excel. That matches up with Pearson Excel Math. And it says we want you to make greater than 80 to get any credit for it. So that's what that's talking about. Then when you finish these activities, go back and take the 3-2 quiz. And when you're done with that, you've got the hang of it now. USA Test Prep Crossword. It's an assignment for you. The workbook pages. The Pearson Challenge. And the Pearson Challenge says 15-point challenge. When you finish that, there's the last quiz you have to take. And you're done with everything. I guess you're probably looking for the cat food. It is here, the cat food performance task. And if you go back, see if I can get back to this plan. Oh, I'm in resources now. I need to go to your plan. All right, there's your plan. If you'll notice here, let's see, it is an assignment. Oh, you know what? Let me see if this works. If you just click on that. There it is. Okay. If you click on your cat food, that's all you do. You just answer this. And I'm going to have to open it back up. I think I closed it because it's not showing up right now. But I will put it back on. It's an assignment, and I'm surprised it's not showing up for you. But when I get the cat food back up, it'll be right here. Okay, I just am not seeing it at all. And I think it's because I closed it, so when the unit was over, the assignment would be over. So that's available for you when you click on it, and I have a place for you to upload it. Anything you can't upload, you can email me, and that's fine. Anything you can't find, just let me know. But hopefully this will show you how to navigate it.